Hello, everybody. Oh, I forgot to test my mic. I moved it around a little bit. Hopefully it sounds okay. It's like at slightly an angle, but you know, whatever.
Hello,
Stream
everyone.
avatars.
I'm live now as well.
Stream avatars.
Allegedly. Did you join the stream together? You did.
Yes.
Start sharing. You must be live. Motherfucker, I am. Subscribe to earn drops. Why are you putting a subscribe to earn drops in my Twitch chat? Twitch. I literally don't have subscriptions enabled. You literally cannot. Whatever, dude.
Little silly. Oh, let me send out my going live.
Guy who puts Twitch affiliate on his resume under work experience.
I should do that.
Let's see. Stream. Notifications. Dante 9 time.
Why is this saying subscribe turn drops go away?
Yep, dude. I literally said that already.
Yeah, now. Oh, your stream's up so I can pull up your chat.
Yes, sir. So I'm sitting on my announcement, and then we will get started with some of this dev.
We were.
Okay, cool. So what do I have for outstanding dev stuff? So I've been kind of working on a little bit of a ability change for things so that JW can work on abilities, because that sounds like something that you want to do.
Yes.
I don't remember all the outstanding changes that I have, but I know for a fact that so where did we leave off?
I don't remember. I was still working on my card that I was making, which is like close to being done.
Yeah. Okay, this one's set to continuous fire. That's fine. Sword.
Oh yeah, right. You added
not...
that.
Oh yeah, that's set to continuous as well. Even though that definitely shouldn't be, nor should that be. Probably a thing, I think.
Hello, average Godot enjoyer. Happy Thursday.
Hello.
Hello. Hi. I remember what I was doing too. Working on this guy. Wait, what if I made the bubble thing like pulse in and out a little bit while it's...
I think that could be fine, yeah.
I like that idea. Now that I watched that VFX video, I want to go through and just like add VFX to everything.
I know,
everything.
Dude. That's what I was talking about.
Yeah.
Okay, so yeah, you should be able to... If you wanted to make a card that has stuff going on, this is basically what that would look like. If you want to look at my screen.
Oh,
actually,
I need to share my screen and
probably a lot. Oh,
actually, you need to share your screen too.
Oopsies, dude, we're like on top of it today.
Yeah.
So, I guess like the most basic would be. Oh, I want to write an editor tool now. I'm not going to, but I want to.
Oh, this guy.
Which would basically wait, no, hold on. You can do you can put templates in the in the project, right?
Like script templates, yeah. You've literally, I think you like figured out how to do that the other day.
Yeah, I did, and then I was like, oh yeah, shit, dude, I forgot. Project defined. Both editor and project defined templates are organized in the following way: template path, node type. Oh, you motherfucker! Template path is jumped to 2 locations. That is script templates. Okay, sure. I don't really like that this can't go in source, but whatever. Script templates. Apparently, with a space at the end. No space. No space. Folder, which will be what exactly? Node type is the node it will apply to. For example, node or character body. This is case sensitive. It's case sensitive. Ew. like that.
I
just
need
do,
to
like,
like
base.
name my nodes in my scene trees more often.
Mm-hmm.
I like just end up usually just add nodes and forget to name them anything.
File is the custom path for this. Okay, sure, dude. Okay, so like it would be something like
This guy needs to be slower.
base
Thank
equipment
you, like
GD. Extends base equipment. Funk do attack. Prince. So if I were to go into source, sorry, let me pull up my OBS now. So let's say I was in new abilities and I wanted to make a new ability. I could go script and grab not a template, apparently. Where the fuck are you? Is it because you inherit node and not base equipment? That is slightly annoying, but that's fine, I guess. I can do... Yeah, I know what I can do. Where are you? Base equipment. You can be that, and then you can just be node, I think. So if I were to go in here and say new script, now there's a template for base equipment. And then I could say like Uzi or whatever. And then if I click on this, it uses the template. Cool. Go. Okay, so I think that should be fine. I honestly don't know if I like that system, but it's there. You know, I will find out how difficult it is to do an editor script. Or not, yeah, editor tool? What is it called? Is it called
I think-
editor script?
I don't know.
It is called an editor script. Let's do util editor, create new script, equipment template. Oh shit. Yeah, okay, script templates are annoying. I just found out. Run void print. Oh wow. You're not gonna be up here yet, right? No, but if I do Control Shift P, are you here? No, because you need a class name, yes. Class name. Equipment template. Util or something like that. Equipment template. Okay, so that does run that. Can I do... Sorry, I'm gonna pull up what I'm looking at. That's great. Sure, if I could actually grab this. Yeah. Editor singleton or editor interface, and then I can do. It's like new scene, right? Did I do that? Can you not open a new scene? Open scene from path. Sure. undo scene or tab. Just have a scene in here. Close scene, that. Scene. Scene. Do we not have that? Open bitch. Thank you.
Wow, even just having like a little animation really helps. What if we like make it kind of like
Let's see. Video open new or create new scene from script. In a script mayhaps. Actually, I wonder if I could do get edited scenery. I couldn't do like a set editor, right? Edit scenery now. Node. Edit node, edit scene roots. Hit open scene roots. Great.
one of the like honestly, I think the best part of the VFX video that helped the most was that to tell if you have a good VFX is whether you make mouth noises along with it. Like it genuinely that helped so much.
Yeah. Yep.
It's really funny. Like even just like the little animations here, it's like it just makes me think of like sounds when you add the little details.
I don't.
Oops. What did I? How did I break that?
Oh, did I?
Hello?
Okay, I'm not gonna do this. I don't care. I'll just.
Oh, it's because I added it.
That you can just do. It's fine. It is under player? No. Sorry. I actually don't know. Objects? Abilities? No. New abilities? No. Where the fuck? Oh my god, I don't know my own way around the fucking project anymore.
Circle. Yes, it is a circle, but it's like a fancy animated circle. I'm trying to figure out the best way to animate. It's okay. Trust the process. Okay. We ease in out. I'm becoming bitlytic. I'm animation maxing.
Animation build.
Yeah.
Let me pull up your screen share actually.
It should be ease in.
I should see what you're doing. I really love easing curves. I think they're sick as fuck. You should definitely use them more. It's
Yeah.
a general thing to everyone. Everyone should definitely just use easing curves more. If you have something ever linearly interpolating, fix it. There's that, and then I believe I would just do a... Well, this doesn't need to be an inherited scene, does it? No. I don't know why this is a thing. Whatever, dude.
Why does that
Sample.
feel? Is it just because my game's laggy that it feels bad?
Hmm?
Oh, here, it's not centered.
Which part feels bad?
I guess it doesn't feel bad.
So what are you trying to do?
It does like a
You're trying to make
little... So it pulses, and then it does like a little pop out, and then sucks in. See?
What's the pop out easing set to?
Ease in.
Okay, can you show me the end of the animation? Okay, so that's set to ease in, and the other... Okay, and the
They're
out
both
is set
ease in.
to...
They're both
Ooh.
ease, so like the same.
So the problem is that the first pop starts slow and then maxes out its speed and then immediately gets set back to 0 because you've got an eased in. So set that second keyframe to an ease out.
Ease out?
Yeah, set the first one to like a regular ease in.
That's like really weird though. It's like it just like instantly gets small. Does it seem to be like farther out?
Yeah, it's...
That looks really bad.
Hold on. No, wait, what's... Something feels wrong.
Oh, sorry for the people that are watching on my here.
Why?
They can't see my keyframes because my music plays in the way. Let's hide it
I
right
see.
now. Ow, my hand's hurting. I need to take a little... Am I sitting weird? I think I'm sitting weird.
Can you move the... Hello. Oh, let me put JW on screen actually, because that's what we're looking at right now. Can you move the second keyframe to like the middle of the thing, and then just scrub through the timeline slowly? Okay. So it's there's some. Let me think about this. So I think it's not going up enough. Is one of the problems. Is
so there should be a bigger
the
number.
size that it needs to go up to? Yes, would be like 5 or something like that.
I don't see. That doesn't help.
And then something feels really weird about it, I'll be honest. And I don't know what it is. Are you animating anything else inside of this animation, or is it just that?
I mean, yeah, but like not
Okay, not like
related to
size
the circle,
related.
no.
Yeah, I'm not sure. That's bizarre, because usually...
I think it should be ease in, I'm pretty sure.
Well, because like, let me toss up a thing real quick.
If we make it like even more.
Damn, I didn't even realize it. My favorite song is playing. Let's fucking go.
I mean, that looks good. Like this.
What this?
I think it looks pretty good. Maybe this should be even farther so it's faster. Like, I actually like that. Hold up. It's pretty good.
What's the first easing set to?
It's ease in. It's just they're both like slightly higher values, so they kind of stick for a second. Haha, I'm figuring out easing. What are you doing?
I'm just checking something, because I would have thought that if we went from this, which is 1 scale down to 0 scale. So linear looks like shit. We all know this. We all know the truth. If you ever do linear easing, you should fix it.
You should fix your easing now.
This is true. This is true. So that easing's bad. However, if we were to do this, where it's ease out, it goes quickly and then stops. Well, not really that quickly. But if I were to change this to like very ease, this would be like wind tracking. Yeah, that looks weird. I don't know why. Those easings might be not what I expect here. I guess Bezier curves would also be better for this. Honestly, for something like that, maybe Bezier is the correct way to do it. Have you ever used the animation player with Bezier curves?
I have not.
Did you know you can do that?
Yeah.
Did they ever fix the Bezier curve editor? Did they make it so that you can zoom in on this to see what the actual property is? Is there function names, Bezier editor, mirrored, free linear?
What are you two making? We are making Fortnite, but like 2D.
I don't... Is there no way to zoom in on the fucking Bezier editor? Like the up and down zoom? Am I just like
No
being
clue.
stupid? Am I being dumb? Oh, it's you. Fit to panel. Okay, sure, dude. I just don't understand where the zoom on the up down is, but whatever.
Oh, also another thing that we should add that I think I sent to you, but you probably didn't see, is make the bullets appear from the center of the player and then just have them hide for like the first couple seconds, not seconds,
Oh yeah, I
but
remember
like
you saying that.
period
Yeah,
of
you said
time.
that.
Because like this, if it spawns like in the middle, you can see the bullet like kind of is weird and it'll like spawn in the middle of the platform and then like the effect will spawn on the other side and it's weird.
Mm-hmm.
But
Yeah.
if you have it spawn in the middle of the player, then if it hits a platform like or an enemy, so like for example here, if I'm like this and I shoot that, it just goes past the enemy because the gun is like through the enemy. But if it came from the player, then that would hit them, which would make logical sense, or at least make game sense.
Yeah. Okay, I think
Also,
this is
after
all that you
watching
need.
the VFX video, you might want to like maybe make the enemy projectiles could maybe be a little bit more obvious somehow. I was thinking of maybe having them have like little spikes that kind of like little particles that kind of like spike out of them to give them more like contrast.
I'm not entirely sure what you mean,
Like,
I'll be honest. Like how that would look. I can't visualize it based off what you're saying.
I don't know exactly, but I feel like they need something to like make them look
Yeah, they
more
definitely
dangerous.
because they don't stand out at all.
Yeah. Where is
So I think
the
this, if you want to
projectiles?
take a
I
look
might miss
at,
that. You want to look at?
so if you wanted to set up, a weapon stuff,
Mm-hmm.
and you just wanted something that was like, you put it in your hand and you can left click and use it. All you would have to do is you would go here and you could just duplicate the scene if you wanted to, and like we call this Uzi or whatever. And then there's the script which is attached to it, which is just example equipment. You can do that. You can also duplicate that. I want to make proper tools for this, but we can do that. And then all you need specifically is to override the function called do attack. And this is triggered if the scene is set to activation type single. This will trigger on click if it's off cooldown. If it's on interval, it'll trigger every single time this interval thing goes off, I think. Although it depends on if the card has a cooldown thing, but
yeah,
who knows. Continuous doesn't work right now. Don't worry about it.
Very cool.
So that should be that. You should be hopefully good to use this for now. I will probably make some changes to it, but if it breaks yourself, I'll go through and fix
I
it.
will mess with the projectiles, so then I will, if you want to push that up, I can mess with that.
Yeah. Your number one chatter. What the hell?
Oh, actually, I
Big
can't
chat.
really do this because you have the projectiles set up weird, don't you?
Hmm?
Because
you
the
mean?
projectile is like a generic scene, and then you just set like the sprite, so I can't add like particles and stuff to it.
I don't remember. I'll be honest. My Godot is frozen.
I really feel like the particles, we should just have an individual scene for each, or not particles, projectiles. We should just have an individual scene for each projectile. Like we could have like maybe a generic projectile like class that has like the basic stuff.
Yeah,
I just don't know.
Probably fine with that.
Because like it's so
There's a lot going on, yeah.
That like it doesn't really make sense. I don't know.
I don't remember the projectiles. Where are they at? What are they doing? It's been a hot second.
It's weird. I don't remember how you did it.
How I did it. What did I do with it? Did I do it? Oh yeah, there's projectile info. I see. Oh yeah, it's got texture, attack type, enemy velocity. Yeah.
Yeah, it's like.
Yeah, weird. I don't know either.
I feel like it should just be a scene that you just like pass in, or like there's like a base projectile and then you add on like the sprite and other stuff. So like the projectile itself is just like a node that moves along, maybe with like an area, and then you add on like the sprite and things like that.
What is this? Isn't this building off of your? Yeah, this is building off your old projectile stuff, right?
Yeah, I think so.
This is. Yeah, I'm fine. I'm fine reapproaching this. I'm totally fine with that because I think this scene, now that we know a few more things about what we want to do, there's gonna be a lot of that. By the way, is this wasn't accounted for, so let's adjust.
But that's why we do that. So is this the scene? Because I'm just thinking I could just mess with the scene specifically.
Yeah,
I would change every projectile, but like it doesn't matter.
Is
it just projectile.tscn?
Yes, under abilities common. Yeah, this is the guy that you added a long time ago. There are particles, which are death particles. Yeah.
Yeah, those don't do anything anymore though.
Yeah.
I killed them.
Let me go ahead and push up my changes. 2,000 plus changes? What do you fucking mean? Oh, import files.
Awkward.
Oh, why are we imported differently? Brother. I think I'm good to just go through and say, fuck you, you're not getting re-imported. Yeah, I would love to just like click here and then click here and just say like, don't do that. But can I get like a list of what's here? You know what? Let's see. Git reverts all files of type. Oh, that's terrifying. That's like really terrifying. I'm gonna test this first before I do it on Dante's 9. Make testing, CD testing. CLS. Gitnet. Test.js and test.gd. Test.
Why is this dark? Does it have a material? No. Does this one have? Can I change? Why is this one bright and this one not bright?
Is it partially transparent?
I don't think so. Oh, I know why.
Is the texture not white?
Yeah. Let me use a different texture. These. That looks kind of interesting.
What the fuck did you do? That actually looks fucking sick, but I don't.
But that's not.
I don't know
exactly
what you did. Yeah. Okay, cool. So now if I were to do, based on this, git revert. No. What?
Okay. I didn't mean to make them look like this, but that looks kind of sick.
What the fuck did you do? That does look sick.
They just are too fast. Maybe make the lifestyle a little bit longer. Oh no, that's but then we turn down the velocity. But it's still not. Color's still weird. There's like no color changes in here. The scale, there's literally no color changes. Oh, and I don't even have the animation on. Let's see.
Star.gd. No, it's not revert. Let's say changes after. Okay. Well, that didn't. That didn't do it. Is it dash dash hard? No, hard reset with paths. Okay, great, dude.
Okay, we'll just try that and see how it looks. Oop, I accidentally had Biddy Vision on. I'm sorry for everybody having to look at Biddy's whatever console he was doing. Kinda lame.
Alright, buddy.
Oh, that needs to be local. Why is it dark though? Like, I'm genuinely confused.
Is Git restore a thing? Why am I thinking of restore? Oh, I am. Okay, is this a thing? Oh, it is. Does that just work? Oh, that just works. Okay, so I guess I can do that. Please, for the love of everything, do not revert all of my changes, please. Please, Git. All I ask is that you only revert the changes that I want. Please. Git restore star.import. Is that correct? Where's my Dante's 9? Is it you? It is you.
Why are you
Yeah,
not
it is
working? Sorry. Like, I genuinely am so confused.
Imports.
This one, okay, this doesn't have any color changes or anything on it. You don't either. Why do you look different?
I'm so scared.
What?
Okay, that looks like it worked. Cool.
Okay, we'll just try that and say
So what's going on with you?
The colors. Give me a second. Let me just see how it looks in here first.
Okay.
What I need. Ooh, those look kind of nice. Oh, why did they just disappear? Oh wait, he hit the chandelier.
So what's
the issue is why are they dark?
If you go to the click on the color that you've got over there.
I literally like eyedropper this.
Set that to full white. If you set it to full white, does it look white? It does.
Yes.
Okay. Can you just Control Z so it gives you the old color. Or yeah, just okay. If you scroll down, like all the way down to your material, that's what I'm interested in seeing.
Oh, this I want it. No, I want it to be unshaded.
Yeah. It's also set to mix, which should be fine.
Yeah. And I also checked this one to make sure this one wasn't brighter, which it is not in any way.
Yeah, can you click on your particles again? Can you scroll further down? Or sorry, a little bit up. Like just above the material. Yeah, there's no modulate.
There was before, but there is not anymore.
Okay, scroll back up.
Because I stole this from the...
What are the chances? I know it wouldn't be. Could you move it to the bottom of the tree?
Yeah. So There's some weird scaling stuff. It looks like they're like almost skewing, and I don't know why.
Yeah. You have the wrong amount of frames set.
6 on my might. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Because there's a blank frame in there, I'm pretty sure.
Is there a blank frame?
Yeah.
You promise?
I promise. Yeah,
Okay.
that looks wrong.
Okay.
Maybe it's something in the scaling.
Shooting? Should make a new particle at this point, man.
Yeah. What if I...
Oh, I go to drawing. Is there anything in drawing that's different?
It's the visibility.
No.
The visibility rec is different. What if we...
Well, that shouldn't change anything because that shouldn't be about. Yeah, I don't know.
It's very strange.
I will. Yeah.
It does look kind of cool. What if we do the horizontal one? Yeah, it's not as cool. Yeah, why is it stretched like that though? That's so weird. Oh wait, is it
scale over velocity?
Is it somehow... Why does that make it... Let's disable Z. Was it like somehow like it was rotating them in like 3D space? Somehow.
Weird.
Like I'm pretty certain that's what it was doing. Well, that's certainly something. Good to know. Ooh, there we go. That actually looks nice. Why?
They're back to squash now, though.
No, they're not. I don't think so. No, they're not. They're just getting smaller.
Okay. What was in here? Oh yeah, I put down some notes.
A little bit lower.
Gun ability has been changed. Yeah. Oh yeah, I remember this being the world's biggest bitch to take care of yesterday. Not yesterday, Tuesday. Base equipment. Sure. Yep.
But I drop her a different color. Yeah, why is it like slightly gray? Here, let me just double check. Here, I know we can set that to that, and we can.
You have mana region multiplier on your side, right?
Yeah, that's full white.
Yeah.
I'm so confused. Wait a second. This was linked. I copied it from over here, and it's changing values of like the colors and stuff in the animation. Is it did it maybe somehow like carry over?
Oh yeah, because the process material is not unique.
No,
you copy
I made it
paste
unique.
it's the same. You made it unique all the way down?
Yeah, I made unique recursive on the particle process.
I would just start over with your particle process. Did you do it with the regular material as well? I guess.
Yeah, the other one didn't have a regular material. What if we do this and we just copy the process material and then do everything else? Because the process material I know I made unique. Copy. Paste as unique just in case. No, it's still weird. Also, the scale's weird. Why is the scale all weird now? Let's not worry about that. Because it wasn't such a local? Oh, no, that didn't make a difference.
Does no, the bullet doesn't have a shader on it, right?
Oh, right, this doesn't have the texture, that's why. So. No, I don't believe it does.
Okay.
Oh, right. That's weird. Let's double check. Okay, so it's not a
Did
material.
you fix the white on the texture?
Yes.
Can you drag that texture back into that field that you got up there?
Which texture?
Like, grab the texture from the disk and put it back in there.
This.
Yeah.
I mean, if I get rid of the
Change anything
texture,
else.
it's the same color.
Yeah. I noticed that you made it unique, which may have broke the reference, but no. Okay.
So I don't think that's the issue. I'm just gonna go back to the old one. I don't know why it's like that. It's very strange.
Hi, boys. Hello.
Let me go
Hi.
back to this guy. Type of projectile here. Let's look at this.
Oh my god, I feel so slow today. Yeah, lots of changes here. Purifying.
What if we just reload
Those
this?
just can be killed.
Reload saved scene. Nope, nothing.
It's not required. Are these changes related at all? Yes, they are.
There's no color change in like this. Nothing in the code, is there?
Okay, I think those should be fine. Some equipment / ability changes for and not even just JW for ease of use. Oh, hello Visual Studio Code. Why did we go dark mode? Weird.
I'm gonna go through every single value in this entire thing. Okay, here.
Alright, I pushed up my changes if you wanted to
Okay.
pull them at some point. So what do I want to work on now? I wanted to fix the cooldown stuff is not there. Uh-oh.
I have an idea. So what if we add another GPU particles? We just give it.
Also, how are you doing
process
today, Bond?
material.
How are you doing? How's life going?
Go to.
Try just
colors.
tossing the Oh yeah, I guess that's... Wait, why are you color picking that from the thing?
Because I wanted to see if it.
Well, that will be a darker color than the particle you're picking because it's in like the editor. So use it from the palette.
Yeah, and it's still. Is the color? No, that's too bright. See, that's still dark. Like if you look at this color and look at that color, that's
Mhm.
darker. Like make it.
Yeah,
so you
everything's
can
gonna be
say-
dark in the world, right? I
No,
think.
that's not the same color. It's
What
not.
is going on with you? Hold on, sorry. What scene are you in? Are you in a new scene or is this the old scene?
This is the projectile scene, like just the generic.
Okay,
So it's the same
you
thing as
just
the
added
player.
a GPU particles 2D.
Yeah.
Right? Okay. And then you've gone in here and you've done what? You've added a particle process material.
Yeah. And then I changed
Okay.
the color
You changed the color. So if I go
to the like. It's
color,
not the bright red. It's that one. Yeah.
this one.
Yeah.
This one.
See, it's dark.
Yeah. Yes. Can I color pick on this or no? Do you let me do that? No. Cool. Yeah, that definitely is a different color, which is meh. Let's find out a sprite 2D. What's going on here? Not image texture. Oopsies.
Like now that I'm thinking about it, I would think that it would be maybe something in the projectile itself. Is like changing the color of it, but that doesn't make
Shouldn't be
sense.
because it wouldn't be a tool script. Because it isn't a tool script.
I
Oop,
meant like something on the
sorry.
node, like a shader or something, but there's no shader or
Oh.
anything.
Yeah.
See, that looks like the right color.
Yeah.
That's very strange.
Is this all particles? Actually, I'm curious now.
That would be really funny if they're just darker for some reason. Let me look this up.
That's definitely darker. I wonder if I were to set a material of a canvas item material and set it to unshaded, that doesn't do anything great, which is sure. I wonder if it's because it's a color inside of the color curves. Specifically. Like, I wonder if I were to... What's the... Is it called particle? Do you know? Can you... actually, I can just check. Never mind. This is called projectile standard round v2. Many such cases.
Looks like it might be an actual issue.
Yeah, it looks like it is based on the color curve value I'm seeing.
The color curve
So-
value?
Yeah, so if I were to add in, like, let's say I have this right here, I'll just copy it over from this one.
Mm-hmm.
So if you're looking at my screen, so I just added a particle in that is like the bullet. And
Yeah.
you can see that it's like the same color, basically, if not.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's the exact same color. If I were to replace that with just a white texture, we'll say.
Mm-hmm.
And then I set the color to this, it's darker. But if it was just the sprite from here,
Interesting. That's really weird.
yeah, it's the same. It's the correct color. So I
Okay.
wonder. Okay, now here's a question. So what if
I'm
you were to
pretty
use
sure-
this?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure that they said that worked in some people that were in the same issue. So that just setting like the initial ramp or whatever just works.
Oh shit! I got rid of the thing. Yeah, so it seems like it might be reading. That was my next guess. Was it's reading from the? No, it's still off.
What if you set the...
Oh, color initial ramp. Nope.
Oh, I'm at setting the color initial ramp to the color that you want it to be.
Oh, okay, yeah, like.
That's what I'd said that I did.
This-
Yeah.
oh, yeah,
would
that does
work.
work.
Okay. Well,
It's a little
so
unfortunate.
weird. But it looks like it's still an open issue. Just strange.
Yeah,
But it's okay.
I wonder why.
There's a color initial
Have a
ramp.
visible effect on base material 3D. Yeah, that's great, but this isn't base material 3D. That's really interesting.
Look at that, all better.
All better.
Make this red.
Sorry. How would you guys rank the things you need to make games from things you struggle with least to things you struggle with most? For me, it's definitely art.
For me, it's definitely programming.
And also music, kind of. Music's one that I really
Yeah.
like, but I do struggle with.
Same. I don't know how to write music for games.
Yeah, there's no simple, like, just change the luminance or anything. That's so weird.
Oh, I also saw that it could be something with the like the color type, like that it's like a conversion between two different like color,
Like color
whatever.
spaces.
Yeah, color spaces. That's causing it. I don't know if that's
I was
true,
also
but that's
thinking
what I
that.
saw.
Yeah, I was also thinking that, but I don't. There's nothing we can do about that, unfortunately.
Yeah.
Other than just what you're doing now.
Yeah, this works honestly.
Um,
I don't care.
So let's see. What was I working on? Oh my lord. Did I decide what I was working on?
I know.
Oh yeah, I needed to fix the
Boom.
cooldown stuff. Not the cooldown, but like there's a couple of annoying things. that I would like to get fixed, like being able to throw and immediately put the card away, or being able to spam it. Also, there's no slowdown whenever you pick a card, so let's fix that.
Yes, that's true.
You don't have any experience with level design, kind of ironic, considering how you're obsessed with games with overly fleshed out editors. I mean, that's level design experience, so like, unless you just mean like having a game that has an editor and not using it. Oh yeah, did we decide on if we were moving the mana bar over towards the card instead?
Yeah, I think we should.
Okay. Okay. The idea of this sounds really gross to me, but like it might not be the worst thing ever.
Whoa,
What if the mana
jeez.
bar? So what were you thinking about with the moving the mana bar over here? Were you thinking of just like?
I'm not sure
something...
exactly. Yeah, like that probably.
Because I was like, because it could be like a vertical one next to the card.
It's possible.
I don't know. Something about that just feels wrong to me, and I don't know why.
Yeah, or maybe like underneath the card.
Yeah, maybe like having a bar down here. And,
yeah.
Yeah, it's not terrible. Or the mana bar could be over in the corner, and the card could be next to. I don't know. We'll have to play around with that.
Ooh, that looks kind of nice.
So,
Hold up. Oh, wait.
Hand display. I needed to add back in this thing.
Good biddy, they have scary particles now. They need some work. They're not very pixel perfect. That's okay.
Damn. Tragic.
Yeah, I know. Honestly, this could be something where just having like a frame by frame animation could be good.
What if they were doing I see that they're not in world coordinates. What if they were world coordinates?
What do you
Does
mean?
it look like shit?
Like they follow behind it?
Yeah.
No, that looks terrible. Like really bad.
Can you try it? Did you try
I can
it?
try it. You will see.
Did you try it? You also don't have to reset. Maybe actually you do.
I closed it already anyway, so. Hello,
Yeah.
Benny VV.
VV. You could just spawn a pistol and shoot, right?
Yeah, but that would be faster, and also it would be
Okay.
not the enemy projectile. It's not awful, but it's pretty bad. Like having a trail might not be on. Actually, we might want to have a trail for them, but
I think I think there could be a second particle that does
Yeah.
trail alongside that one.
yeah.
I'm also noticing they're all facing the exact same rotation when they spawn. I think.
That is because they are aligned Y, or yeah. So because they're,
something.
I think it's because they're moving. I guess they're technically moving. That they're aligned with that direction.
I believe it's because of the alignment of the bullet. Because the bullet is rotated.
Let's
a specific
duplicate
direction,
this.
I think, right?
You.
Oh wait, the
okay.
bullets. Did you say that the bullet shouldn't be rotated?
No. Yes, it shouldn't be.
Like the visual specifically?
Yes.
Are they currently rotated? I
No,
don't remember.
they are not rotated.
They are not. Okay. Did you undo that, or did
they were never rotated.
they were never rotated? Are you sure?
They were never rotated. Oh, I'm on Bitty Vision. Nobody wants to see that. I'm sorry.
Projectile.tscn. Really? Did they just have a direction they're moving in? They do. Okay, I thought there was a rotation in here, but I guess not. Huh. Here we go again with those perfect pixels. Yeah, I know. Level design does have a lot on its own. The pacing, the scenario planning, the visual wrapping, optimizing. First, make it really fun without proper thinking direction for levels. It's going to be a struggle. You were thinking if it was a good idea to just play around with the game mechanics and put together little gameplay scenarios to place the ideas within levels. kind of yes. I know a lot of like CS:GO type of map design is kind of just like blocking things out and like making like really big, as large brushstrokes as you can, and then going back in later and changing them.
Wait, did someone say Counter-Strike?
Unfortunately, I did, yeah. And then I realized my mistake after I said it.
Wow. This guy hates Counter-Strike.
Blah, blah. So there should be on card discarded different. There is on selection started on selection ended U and U should be time measure dot add time scale self card selection. I don't remember how our timescale manager works. Do you have it set up so that this is a percentage of the total time, or is this?
I don't know.
What is this? You don't know? Okay. I guess 0.1. We'll find out. If you have this, did you say that if this was set to -1, it does nothing? If time is greater than 0, if it's anything. Okay. So it could still be set to 0. Sure. We'll try that. Actually don't know if this is going to work, but we'll find out. Okay, cool, that does work. Oh, I was thinking about catnip. Catnip is really cool because it makes everything slow, but it kind of sucks. What if we made it so that it was only like it was everything except for Dante slows down?
Oh, that might be a good idea.
It sounds like a bitch and a half to program, but like that's fine, I guess.
Yeah, maybe.
Should be fine, hopefully. I would like this time scale to kind of ramp up in strength, I think. What do you current slow sources source equals slowdown timer of this with the ID? What does the ID do exactly?
I think it's just to make sure that there's not like multiple from the same source. So you just put like, yes, that way you can have multiple of the same source.
I see.
I think these might need their own particle, but we'll try that for right now.
Wait, what? Oh, okay, so this is for something between node types. Okay, I see. So like if you had like 2 enemies dying and they both put out the enemy died slowdown, it would only do one of them. Okay, I see. Okay. Ooh.
Looks kind of cool. It's a little bit of work, but
Oh, wah, 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 wah. Sorry. Yeah, my whistling came through because I was whistling to my song just barely out of my mic, and then it oopsied. I oopsied it. Dude, he's skibbitying all over the place. What the fuck? That's crazy.
No, I'm not doing that. No. No.
Yup.
I'm
Yup, that's the
sorry.
one, man.
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
var selection time is 0. We'll say over current selection. No, don't say that, Lucas.
That's what it. He's not wrong.
I know it is. I know he's not wrong. I know he's not wrong. However, you can't use that term anymore. The internet has ruined it. Sorry.
Let's try this.
Yeah, the design of mechanics and platformers is that they need some level of uncertainty to work. I'm kind of curious what you mean by that. Whenever you say there has to be some way to mess up with them. I'm not entirely sure what that means, Ivy. I'd be interested to hear a little bit more about what you're boobing about right now. Time. Oh no. Var ratio is. This would be frame rate independent, so it would be. Current selection time is the move toward from current selection time to selection set on time over delta divided by engine dot time scale, I think. And then we would do var ratio is current selection time divided by selection slowed down time. And then here we can do time scale times ratio, which I believe would give me what I want. I guess let's find out. Nope. Oh, because those variables aren't defined. Oops.
I'm just like messing around with particle stuff now. I VFX build. It's over.
I know, dude. VFX is so sick. Oh, I know what's happening, kind of. Kinda.
Ooh.
When selection started, we're doing that.
Okay, that's a little bit too messy. But they look sick.
Oh damn, bro, you got hella particles. What the hell? That does look kind of sick. It's a little busy, to be honest.
No,
it does look
it
sick.
definitely needs work, yeah, but...
I think the alpha could be toned down towards the end, but it does look...
Yeah, that's
dope.
a good idea. It definitely makes it a lot
VFX
clearer, though.
are sick. Yeah, VFX are sick, man. I didn't say this.
You wanna hit the gong.
You... No, not you. You... Where? You. Selecting card is true. Selecting card is false. And then I will say...
Meow, meow, meow. Wee, wee, wee.
Here if selecting card...
Wee, wee, wee.
Sorry.
That, I think, should be fine, hopefully.
Wee, wee, wee. Wee, wee, wee.
And what are my exported variables? What are we seeing?
Why did those suddenly like shoot so fast?
If I said this like 5 seconds, this...
Why does it
oh,
feel
does
like
not.
they shoot them so much faster now that they have a trail? They just feel faster. Like especially
kinda
the
hard to
initial shot.
Yeah, yeah, it's kind of
really
hard to see
fast.
the initial pop.
Yeah, I'll adjust it, but I like how it's looking. I like how it's like darker and then it has like the bright center. It really helps for like see where the actual attack is, like the contrast between the like darker background color and the...
Yeah.
I like it.
contrast is like massive, kind of. What the hell?
Yeah, so I think I need to change the colors and make it fade out towards the end. Should it be like
what the fuck?
Yellow towards the end, or should it? I can't tell. Maybe it should get darker. I don't think it should get darker.
Oh wait,
should
I'm like,
it? Oops.
I'm like stupid, I think.
I hate that you can't scroll down to the swatches menu. You have to like
Yeah, you have to
that.
close it and reopen it. It's like a little fucked up right now. If you open swatches after you open the color picker and it happens to be off screen, it's
color
like
pickle.
Yeah, the
No,
color pickle. They made it gay, by the way.
Yeah. Evil
Tragic.
Color pickle.
What do you mean?
I'm joking. I'm joking.
JW.
I know.
JW,
sorry.
you just called gay people evil? What the fuck? Ew.
Meow.
Sorry.
Hold on. So this will
Joking,
start off
by
as
the way.
one, it'll slowly tick down.
I know I'm
And
not funny.
then-
I shouldn't joke about things.
And then...
Meow.
Okay.
Meow, 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 meow.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah.
Hope I can
I guess I
unhide
can-
my
that's-
music player now. There you go.
Yes. I don't feel like figuring this out, so I'll go from 1 to time scale.
From 1 to
1 to I don't feel like thinking about this right now. My brain is not in math mode, which is really weird.
It's very weird.
It's very weird. My brain is in like, I don't know. Also, yes, sorry. I'm seeing some messages in chat, but I'm not. My brain is not
The boys do be
in the correct
goobing
mode
around.
today. I don't know what the fuck is.
They be sillying it up. This is true.
No. Oh, are we talking about
I'm
goobers
silly.
in chat?
I'm silly. I'm so silly.
All right, buddy.
I'm so silly pilled.
Oh, you
That
know
feels a
what?
bit
This would
better.
actually probably add timescale from self with an ID of card selection. What did I call it exactly? Card underscore selection. I see. Peak mount would be 0.1 times over a second. False. True. Decay rate. What is decay rate?
So I think if we decrease the lifetime, it'll make them spawn faster, which means they'll be closer
Mhm.
together. Yeah. So if we half the lifetime?
Decay rate. I'm just gonna leave that as default.
Yeah, those are much tighter now.
That's not doing what I would have expected it to.
Oh, the other interesting thing is the trails on the particles, or on the bullets are longer, depending on how fast the bullet is moving. Which is honestly probably
see.
not a bad thing, because that makes it easier to like see where it is if it's faster. It should be somewhere between like a 0.7. Guess I don't need to restart the game every time, but whatever. It's okay.
Why is this? Sorry, are you just like not respecting the time that I put in? What the fuck is this? It isn't. God?
I do actually really like these particles. I know I already said that, but I really like them. Ooh. What if we spawn more? If we go to the door, we'll spawn 2 more. Look at this.
Oh.
Yeah, that doesn't feel
What
too
the
unreadable now.
fuck? Okay, hey JW.
Yeah.
Can I ask you something?
Mm-hmm.
So I'm defining a timer. Or I'm defining a slowdown. Okay, do you see this?
No.
Okay, can you look at my screen?
Yeah.
So can you just explain to me what these parameters are in the function? Like what all of them do, if you just want to take like the world's quickest.
Okay, so yeah, node is source is just self. That's always self. It's
Mhm.
it's easy.
Yep.
ID is like exactly what you have. It's just saying
Yeah, it's just
where
like a
it's
unique
coming
name
from.
or,
Yeah,
like,
yeah, like
for
a
what it
unique
is.
name. What it is. Amount.
This one's amount.
I don't remember exactly how that one works, but that's like the amount
Okay.
of the scale.
So this one,
Time.
I will tell you, is if you want it to be a 10% speed, you put in 0.1. This is multiplied to the default, which is 1, and then that's applied multiplicatively, like that, or whatever. You know what I'm talking about. Anyways, okay, and time.
Time is how long it lasts. I believe.
Okay. Can you give me an example?
Like it'll last for a certain number of seconds, like 5 seconds.
Okay, so if I put in 5 seconds, this would be 5.
I believe
seconds.
so. Yes. I believe no.
No.
Okay, what does it do?
You have any other guesses?
No.
This is the amount of ticks.
Oh yeah, I forgot that I did a weird.
It's a tick
yeah.
timer.
Yeah, that's
It's
my
a tick
fault. I
timer.
didn't change that. Yeah. Sorry. That's before.
No, that's
you
okay.
told
It's
me.
fine. It's just.
Was there anything
I
else?
was like, okay, we're
Or
gonna
was
keep
that
going down the
thing?
list
Okay.
actually, because I'm curious.
Okay. The rest I
Multiplicative.
know. That means that it will be multiplied by any other time scales. So how it works is, if it's not multiplicative, it will go through all of the non-multiplicative ones and pick the highest one. Whichever the highest one is, it will then multiply by any multiplicative timescales. And then that will be multiplied by the 1 to determine the actual timescale.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
I see. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
I think that one was decent.
Yep.
What else is
Next one.
Decaying is that is whether it ticks down over time, like whether
Okay.
it resets to 0 or be to 0 over time, or to 1.
What resets to 0?
The time scale.
Oh, this. Okay. Yeah. Okay.
And then the decay rate
Decay
is
rate?
how fast it. I don't remember how that is applied, but
This is every physics tick. How much is taken off?
okay.
It's just. Yeah, I want to make a little
Yeah.
bit of. Are we doing?
I
Are there any
think-
slowdown sources that are time based in the game?
I don't know.
Is it not called add slowdown? Add the time scale. Yeah.
See, there's some stuff I think I want to change
nice.
about the projectiles, but I think we'll leave that till we redo the projectile system.
That's 2 seconds written in terms of game ticks.
Honestly, this like doesn't feel too unreadable. The only thing is like the
I'm gonna add docs really quickly. Just for like things like ID is a unique identifier, multiple
what if
closed sources with same
I make
ID,
the particle
only one
ticked. Or no, we'll make this guy. It's the index of 1. So that way. Wait, is this gonna spawn over top of the enemy? I don't know. I'm not gonna worry about that. But that way, all of the particles are behind, and all of the actual projectiles are in front, so you always see the projectiles over top of. So now if there's like, for example, a million projectiles, you can always see where the projectiles are, and then the particles are always behind. Yeah, these honestly aren't too unread for like the amount of particles that are on there. They're very readable, even with a lot of them at once. I think maybe they should fade out a little bit faster, but I can't tell. Biddy, what do you think of these?
Give me a second.
Spawn more of them. Tank my frame rate. I also want to remake the spawn animation for all the enemies.
Yeah.
Should probably give myself a bunch of healing cards so I can take all these hits.
Okay, great. Is not open on first. Okay, sorry. What did you say?
Particles.
What about them? Okay, let me look.
Do they look readable enough? I made it so that the projectile always shows up above all of the particles, so that way if there's a bunch of them grouped together, the projectile always shows up on top.
Yeah.
It's really
There's something that
satisfying.
feels hard. Like, it does look good. It looks really good. I'm gonna toss this on the screen. I'm trying to think of how the readability could be improved, because it is like pretty readable, but it's like there's a couple.
I think I might make it fade out a
there's
little
kind
bit
of
faster, so that way it doesn't cover up quite as much of the screen.
Because it does look really good.
Yeah.
Sorry. Oh yeah, Ivy, if you're still here, if you want to declare something as var args, you can do this thing. So this is normally in other languages called the spread operator. So basically you do ... and then you can declare that as an array. And from this function, it was passed in an array, but from any other function, it's just like a comma list. So you can just do like, and you can just like keep doing that. Which is like sick.
So satisfying. Sorry.
So this needs to be the amount of time. We'll say this is 60. I hate doing that. Over. False.
I honestly think the hardest part about this is seeing the player. This might be a little bit of an issue, but we'll figure that out.
Carry.
Like, where the heck am I in all this?
I think. Whatever the hell that is. I don't have a card to select with, so I can... Yes, this will slow down, and then we will... Oh, very cool. Actually, I could probably just add this every time this is right. I could do this.
Oh, that looks
instead.
kind of sick on the player's weapon too. It's like a little bit messed up. That's how slow it is, but it's cool. It makes me want to add particles to the player's weapon too. Maybe.
Yeah, that works.
Why is the door not opening?
Minus the...
Did I break it?
What?
The door isn't opening. Oh, was it because I spawned the enemies? I think it was because I spawned additional enemies before I... if we do this... Yeah, I think it was just because I'd spawned a bunch of enemies before the room technically started.
Hmm.
So it was like, okay, well that's cool. Let me reduce the. What do you mean it's 8 o'clock already? I'm having too much fun. Oh, I had gotten rid of the other particles, but I think it's fine.
Oh,
I
that
don't
actually
think it
does
needs,
feel like
the
sick as
sticky
fuck.
particles.
JW, can you check this out?
Yeah.
So I added the slowdown back in, except I
Mhm.
changed the way it works a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
So it slows down, like, instead of just all at once, it kind of like goes into a slow motion mode over like half a second.
Mm-hmm.
And then whenever you get out of it, it goes back to normal speed. Over.
Oh, that's cool. Yeah, I like that it's
basically,
less
I think.
abrupt.
Yeah. It's also, if you were to quick tap, it doesn't do the slowdown still.
That's
which is
nice,
good.
yeah.
Yeah.
We need to make that guy
Ooh,
do
that sound is
things.
nice.
It's literally just like the whatever SFX are. Like I don't like
Yeah.
it. I think it needs some work. But I feel like if we layer it over some other stuff, it'd be sick.
I feel like if it went like or like something, like is it? Well, I guess it's like a little bit of whatever.
I honestly can't wait to do some sound design stuff now that I have the bazillion sounds with the GDC stuff.
Yeah, gazillion. I'm actually gonna.
Bazillion.
No, I'm gonna be a good programmer, and I'm gonna go here and I'm gonna commit my changes up immediately.
Okay.
Fuck me! It added 2,000 fucking changes again.
Why?
I don't want to commit that up. It's because the imports are slightly different.
It's awkward.
Yeah, I don't know what's up with that. I'll be honest. I have no clue what that is. 2008's Honda Civic. That's true. Now I had one of those.
Honda Civic.
What does it say? 2006. Oh, it totally does. I'm like, I can't read.
Yeah, sure. What if you faded out faster? Meow, meow, meow.
I did actually want to make some changes to the player movement just a little bit.
That's okay. You can do that.
Yeah, probably. We'll find out, I guess. But
They're gonna make them fade a little bit faster. Actually, you might be live. Let's add a bunch of them again. See how that looks.
And tweets here.
Yeah, there we go. That's a little bit cleaner.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's say, for example, what was I doing? Oh my god, I had something on my brain. What was it? Can someone reach back there and like scratch my brain, please? Because there's like something that needs. There's like a barnacle in my brain or something right now.
No.
Oh my god. Oh, player.
Did you
movement,
fix
that's
the
what it
thing
was.
where? Oh, that's a lot of particles.
Whoa,
Where
what?
you can just use the parts that aren't equipment infinitely.
What?
Like.
Oh, you know what? That's a good point. I think the answer is no. The toxoplasmosis did eat at my thought. Like,
What is
I'm not in
toxomatis?
yeah, you got this, dog. Is there not a door here? Should this not be triggering combat? Am I like... Why is this not triggering combat? Is there not a door here?
What? There is. But there's no enemies in there. Do you spawn an enemy?
Oh, you're right. The slime doesn't count because he was here before.
Yeah.
Duh. That's... Whatever, he counts.
I'm trying to think of
No,
ways
I
to
did
give
not.
the player more contrast. Like, I mean, you could just like give them an outline, but that's kind of lame. I mean, I kind of had the thing before where they have like a light around them, so they're actually brighter than like the actual colors, and give them like a little bit of a tint, but that only does so much. Especially when there's like a bunch of particles and stuff.
Oh, dude, do you want to see the best change added in Godot 4.5 actually?
What if? Sure, why not?
So normally if you search in this Control-Shift-F window, this is great, but like what if there was something inside of the, like, let's say I wanted to search for Activate and it's going to show me things from add-ons. So what if I only want to search from things inside of Source? Well, in Godot 4.4 I could do this and then press Enter and nothing would happen. But in Godot 4.5 you can press Enter here now.
Yay!
And that's thanks to yours truly.
Don't take glowy eyes with light trails. Interesting idea. I was going to try just adding a gradient texture.
Oh, Elif card.
It's worth a shot.
Cast. Oh, sorry. You do be wondering how clean the code can get to enhance the long-term efficiency without going overboard with flexibility. I would say once you look at the code and you go good enough, you should stop touching it. Like the second you have a thought of good enough, that's, I think, where it should stop, and then you should come back to it later, within a reasonable amount. So I think now this shouldn't be infinite. Yeah, although it is kind of weird the way that I can spam right-click and it does like a weird thing down there. I don't know why it's doing that. I actually have no clue why it's doing that. It would be you. And it would be you. Picking card is true. Does it say setter? No. No.
Obama's asking if we'd released a playtest or demo. Sort of, kind of.
We did before. There is a playtest coming up soon. We have a deadline coming up that we are definitely going to make. Right?
Yeah, this is true. Sorry, I just like.
Yeah. You're definitely.
Okay, this like
playtest.
honestly isn't. It needs some work, but it's not the worst idea ever.
Oh no, he's holy, dude.
But it's like not
he's exalted.
terrible. What if we
Exalted
add
Dante.
a bunch of these guys? Oh, the flashing is funny. He's definitely easier to see, that's for sure.
Yeah, I also want to address that animation at some point.
The getting hit animation?
No, the jumping off of a moving platform feels really weird.
What do you mean?
Or not moving platform, sorry, the bouncing platform.
This?
I don't know, something, yeah, it just feels weird to me.
I don't think it feels that weird. I don't think so.
Because, like, this...
Maybe you're weird.
There's, like, something weird with it. I wonder if it's based on the direction... I'm actually gonna do something. Hold on. Where's player.tscn?
Why is he down there? Oh, that's weird. Undo that. Put it here.
I would like to see if I could just toss a sprite.
Oh, what the?
Which is a.
That's weird.
Texture. What's up? What's weird?
Why is it down there?
What is it attached to?
I like reparented it to the visual. If we move it up here.
Is it because you did it while the game was? You did it. It's because you did it while the game was running, so it's set it to 0, 0.
Okay. See. I know it squashes and stretches too.
Oh no.
Which is kind of funny.
Yeah.
Which actually doesn't look terrible, I'm not gonna lie. Does that make it that if he gets hit, it also flash? No, it still doesn't flash.
I don't even know what controls that thing, the hit flash.
I'm pretty sure it's just an animation that shows and hides the sprite itself. Should probably hide like the visual instead, but whatever. The other thing that we need to keep in mind that I've also needed to figure out for the light on the player is that different areas will have different colors. Like, I should probably make some testing levels of other areas soon, so that way we can test visibility in those rather than just this one. Like, for example,
yeah,
if I go
the
to
visibility for the other ones
room.
isn't like the worst thing ever.
Yeah, like I think the main issue is that everything's red in that one. Like if I go here and like spawn a bunch of enemies, it's probably not bad at all. Because like, yeah, it still maybe needs some work on certain things. But like this is much easier to see because like, I don't know, magic. I think the main one on this one is some of these background elements need to be darker. It's hard to see like where the floor is sometimes. I feel like this clock and like the books and stuff should be dark. Maybe. Maybe I just suck at the game. It's also possible. This level is cool though.
Yeah. Yeah. I'm adding a new debug option menu.
Uh-oh, which is?
It's gonna be camera zoom.
Camera zoom.
Because I've had enough times I'm like, man, I wish I could zoom the camera in. Surprise bitch. I'm gonna add that because I'm tired of not having that. Yeah, I'll just add like 3 buttons or some shit to this. What do you need to be again? I don't remember. Oh, buddy, you don't. Margin container temp. I'm copying and pasting.
Oh, I forgot to drink my root beer. This actually isn't bad. I made it like a little bit more subtle. It feels more like he's just like glowing a little bit.
He's pregnant?
What?
Oh, you don't know that. Glowing is a term that you can use for when someone's pregnant.
Oh, I have never heard that.
Yeah. JW's never been around people, by the way, for anyone curious.
This
for anyone who
is
just
true.
did stream.
Yeah, that actually really makes a big difference. Just a little bit of a glow.
Yeah, new vocab, what the fuck? Am I the only motherfucker who's heard of this?
Yeah, I think so.
Maybe
You're
I'm
probably also the only person that talks to people. Actually, you don't
That
even
might
talk
be
to
true,
people.
actually. Huh?
I said you don't even talk to people.
Hey.
Let's see how it looks in
Yeah.
this level.
Why is this not... Am I like... I'm stupid or something, dude. I'm getting angry.
I didn't know
with
about the
myself.
glowing thing. You also can't spell. Didn't know about the spelling thing, apparently.
Damn.
Yeah, and it looks good on this level too. The like yellow is nicer than like the orange. Honestly, I think this is the play. I think we stick with this. Maybe make it a little bit darker. Maybe make it a little bigger too and have it like...
Yeah, have like more fall off
Yeah.
and like blend into the background.
So just make it bigger, I guess. Can you change like the fall off like curve?
Yeah, the interpolation mode has one option that isn't constant.
Like,
Yeah, it's just that. Oh yeah, I think that might be the move. Constant,
yeah.
for sure.
I only know 2006 Honda
Um,
Civic. It's so real.
Honestly, I don't know.
No, I think the other one is.
Isn't there a fall off? Wait, is this a sprite or is this a light?
It's a spray. It's literally just a gradient texture.
Okay,
2004,
Yeah, I don't-
14 Honda Odyssey.
I think so.
Rose.
That's like
I-
crazy close to my first car. Except like only because it's a 2014 Honda, which is like I would think close enough.
Mine is 2014 Scion.
Yeah, he's got a box.
It's
Or drives around a
pretty
box.
goated. No, it's like genuinely goated.
He drives around a box.
It's a very nice car.
It's a box. He's got a box.
Okay. I guess I could technically make my own like fall off curve just by like going like this.
It'd be kind of cool if we had like a Bezier curve gradient texture thing. That would be like
very cool.
fucking massive. Maybe that's what I do. Maybe I make it that.
You might be evil.
What do you mean I might be evil? What the fuck? How am I evil?
You just are.
What the fuck? No, I'm not evil. I'm normal and cool. Debug menu.
Extremely evil, yeah, I agree.
Funk. Let's funk. Set on camera zoom. Sure, dude. Target zoom is a float. Now you will do nothing.
Go to sleep now. Good luck. Good luck to you. Good luck. I think you meant good luck to you silly goobers on your coding and game deving. Thank you.
Mhm. Yeah.
I can't
Yeah,
read,
have a good
so
one.
something's weird
Why is
there.
this not? I don't understand. Why are we not detecting that this is here? Am I like going insane on this one?
Oh, it's because
There we go. Ah. Okay.
you know what the issue is.
Oh, because it was falling off to
Yeah.
0 alpha but black instead of 0 alpha but the light color.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Which honestly, I think it looked better. But let's see how this looks.
I think that should work. That looks fucking terrible. Do I have to do this for every single one? Oh my god. I hate connecting signals inside of the editor, but this is for a debug script, so it doesn't matter. I don't need to do this often. I just have to do this once.
I think it actually looked better when it was a little bit darker on the edge.
Celeste Song Banger, yes sir. Yes sir. Celeste is such a good game. Ain't that
This is
right,
true.
JW?
This is true.
Yep, there it is. So,
No, I
what's
kind of liked it before, actually.
Ah, shit, you can't have static signals, right? No. That's fine. I will just... Oh, wait, no, we were doing something with zoom, right? It said zoom. Zoom. Okay, parent set zoom. There's like something else we're doing, right? Oh, I can just do this, whatever. Fine child. I hate doing this, but whatever. It's fine. Thank you, debug, for letting me write shit code. You give me an out. Whoa. Yeah, that works. Okay, cool. And then if I were to go time options and set this to a slow time scale. I'm trying to figure out what feels so off about this little like animation thing.
I don't know.
Hey, what? How are you doing the run animation?
I don't know.
You know?
I literally made that like over a year ago, probably.
Oh yeah, I remember you told me about this. Oh god.
What's wrong with it?
What's wrong with it? Do you remember anything about how you did this, JW?
No.
So the idle animation right here, where he just like goes shaboing, like up and down, right?
Yeah, shaboing.
You have no idea what you did there.
Nope.
Let me remind you. So he does a little boing. You have 2 tracks in the animation, one for scale and one for position. Does that remind you of anything? Does that jog your memory at all?
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
And for moving, you have 3 tracks for scale, position, and rotation.
Yeah.
I wonder if it would look better with a... I'm gonna duplicate this sprite so I can test it. Dante 2. Except I'm gonna make this one set up in a way that isn't like that.
Maybe this would look nice if it's kind of like a more gritty gradient. Like, what if I give it some like texture somehow? Like, drew it somewhere in a program.
What the fuck? Show me this, buddy. Show me.
We don't have any like generic particles. You know, Kenny has like a higher res particle pack that has like messy gradient things that we could use, but I don't have that on hand right now, I don't think. Okay, whatever. I'm probably spent way too much time messing with this. We'll call it good for now. What was I actually when I worked on? Oh, did you push up the card changes?
Yep.
Okay. I'll probably mess with that just a little bit, and I need to go to bed soon. Wrist is hurting a little bit.
Some fun stuff going on here.
It says unable to pull when changes are present on your branch. The following files will be overwritten.
Oh, what are they?
Card brick relics.md, mana drop, video camera, hand, and player.
Alright, here's hoping they're not that bad. Go ahead and stash or commit your changes, one of the 2.
Well, I already have stash changes.
Yeah, you can make another stash.
How do I do that?
I don't know how to do it in fucking GitHub desktop.
Okay, then I'll just commit my changes.
Alright, good luck.
Oh.
Uh-oh, merges. Okay. What are the merges? I can't see what they are.
Biddy camera and player.
Oh, okay, thank fuck. Those should be easy. Alright, go ahead and open that up. Let's put you on screen. Excuse me.
Cool.
And if you wouldn't mind making the screen just a little bit larger so that we can read it. Thank you. So where are our changes? Oh, cool. Very cool change. I can't figure out how to merge. One of us has a blank line and the other one doesn't. Honestly, I was gonna say flip a coin and accept either, but you should definitely accept incoming change.
Accept incoming change. Okay.
Yep. Yeah, because there were just 2 lines there that I might save it, and then you can close. And then you're gonna have another one. This one might actually be a little bit. We'll find out though. It looks like the only change is at the top up there.
Oh, oops, did I
You can
pass?
see it on the sidebar.
Oh, I see.
Yeah. It's just a load steps change. If you want to just accept your change, the current one.
Accept current change. Okay.
Yep. And save, and then we'll find out. Yep, pretty good. Hopefully.
Yippee. And now we push. Yay! Maybe it'll work. I don't know if it'll work actually. Are you changing my beautiful walk animation?
No, I'm just looking at it. I haven't changed anything about it yet. There's so many things that are really funny about this that I'm looking at. That it's just like, it's kind of like, it's kind of just fun, you know? Like how you have this keyframe that is just for some reason off the timeline.
Oh,
So this keyframe could be like anything and it just doesn't do anything because it's not on the timeline, but if it was here, it does. For whatever reason.
I don't know why.
Also,
scene file meow36 ability appears to be invalid/corrupt.
Oh yay. Do you want to open up the output window?
Oh,
What is
there's
it?
a lot of things. How do I make this bigger?
I don't know, I can't really
Says
read.
cannot open a file. Base ability failed loading resource. Base ability. And then it's just the same thing.
Reloading the
over and over
project.
again.
Okay. Find out.
Project
Could be Godot
reload.
cache. But I also really like how over here you've got one of these keyframes is inexplicably set to 1.03 instead of 1.0. So the easing is just like the smallest amount of difference. Not like it's gonna do anything, but like
That is very strange.
it's just kind of funny.
Please magically work.
Lord.
Please magically work. Oh, it magically worked. Look at that.
Yippee. Actually, I haven't opened up the Meow36 ability. I wonder if it's fucked up. No, it looks fine. Oh, that's the old one.
Did you make
I also want to go
pistol
through
auto?
and clean up some of the other code. Yeah.
That's very fun. That'd actually be really sick. What the heck?
Where? So, what am I doing? Oh yeah, the player animation.
By the way, I
wanted
think you
to-
still can use things infinitely.
Yeah, I haven't pushed that up yet. Yeah.
Wait. I have a-
Hmm?
Okay. Just want to try something.
So, yeah, so I'll make a new track animation, I guess. Can you hide tracks in this? I don't think you can. Oh, I guess I technically could, but whatever. I'll just not do that. So you rotate from the bottom right, yeah. Where are you? Oh. Oh.
I definitely think the pistol should have a lower mana cost now that it's like weak, because I feel really bad. I mean, well, it's a balance
Yeah.
on the mana stuff. Just in general, but
Balancing's gonna be fun. Maybe, potentially, probably not.
it doesn't have to be like well balanced. It just has to be balanced.
I thought you were gonna say it doesn't have to be fun. Balancing doesn't have to be fun. It can be an experience. Something wrong with that. What is the easing on this set?
Yeah, the main thing I've seen is like don't worry about balancing as long as it like feels fun.
What? Oh, this one is set to like hell out.
Like you don't want to balance the fun out of a game like one way or another.
Yeah. Definitely like games where the devs have provided the ability to break it.
Yes. I kind of
AKA
like that these
Caves
things
of God.
stack. I'm not gonna lie, the mana things. So I'm just thinking of like, what if you have a build where you just have like 1,000,000 mana and then a bunch of those, and then like one ridiculously powerful card? Because then you could just like spam drop the mana things, and then the second you get the powerful weapon, it would automatically equip it, and then you could use that a bunch while spamming the mana things, and it's just an infinite mana farm, which sounds kind of fun.
Yeah, it does, yeah.
So like it would be like if I clear my hand in my deck and I give myself a bunch of like 4 of these and like 1 pistol. If I like drop a bunch of those, and now I have like infinite mana. Oop, I died. That was a bad build, I guess. Oh, why can't I select a card now? I broke something. Oh, it just won't let me select any card that isn't this card. If I unequip this, I can't select any other card.
Oh, did you restart the game by chance?
Yes.
Ah, okay, yeah, I know what's up with that then. Yeah.
Okay. By your deck in hand. Oh yeah, it's just
It's
just
yeah.
bugged
It's because it doesn't clear between restarts. It should,
Yeah.
but it doesn't.
But I want to see.
Okay,
if
yeah,
this
I think that's.
build ideal.
I think that's what was wrong with it.
Hmm?
So this is the old Dante animation, which is fine. I don't think it needs to be changed. But he does like a little. He's like pivoting around his head rather than his legs. And then this one is pivoting around his legs. It could honestly maybe move up a little bit. Like the pivot could be just ever so slightly higher, maybe.
Maybe having this be additive wasn't the play. But I love
Okay,
how if you just have
actually,
one
no.
weapon and then you just spam this, eventually you'll just pick up the weapon.
Okay, having the pivot here for the rotation around the head is not the worst. It actually kind of is fun. Let me move this pivot up even more. Let me actually make sure this is the same animation, basically, right? No. Oh yeah, because the position.
I'm having too much fun placing 1,000,000 of these things. Honestly, just me stress testing large amounts of cards would make for good content on like Twitter. Just like dumping.
Build.
What?
He's content build.
Yeah, I'm content build.
He's trying to be content build. He's trying to content farm.
Yeah, that I kind of need to.
Yeah. A little bit. Sorry, there's two Why are there two Dantes?
But if we make the meow 36 auto, how do you do it?
Set the on
Oh,
the
it's in
scene.
the scene. Yeah.
Yeah.
Here, I said
I do want to make a tool that makes it easier to change things like that, so that whenever you like go to inspect a card, you can make changes directly to the scene without opening the scene. That would be quite cool, I think.
And another thing to keep in mind. Ooh, honestly, I think we should keep it like this.
Yeah, probably. I think that's fine. The sword isn't. I don't know if the sword being changed would be a good thing or not.
No, I don't think that should.
No? Alright.
But it's definitely a lot less to think about.
Oh, I think I know. What is flip X for? Well, I know what flip X is for. I don't know why I'm asking them. Wait. How does... What does the jump animation do? Oh, the jump animation does the same thing.
Oh, you finally fixed the infinite hitting with the standard attack.
The what?
The,
oh, yeah.
Not having a cooldown.
Yeah.
Honestly, I think the worm is like the least readable enemy at this point.
Yeah. Well, it hasn't gotten any changes yet.
Yeah.
It'll get its changes eventually.
Yeah, I can't wait to add in the enemy
boss
attack indicators.
Oh yeah, that too.
I think that'll really help. That with the new particles and stuff, I think they'll look really good.
Yeah.
Arm. Okay, so I'll go and get started on the SMG if I have time. So how do I do this? You wanna help?
Oh, sure.
First, I'll want a new card.
Yes.
I got Banivaders.
Possibility for a card modding tool to go with the game would not be out of the question, no. Intricate mods, maybe not. Simple mods, maybe.
Oh yeah, I think I'd started saying this, but I never finished saying it. The thing to keep in mind is to make something where you can read all the stats for a card. Like maybe make it that when we could probably have it like automatically fill it out in some way based on like the card information, like the damage and all that, but also being able to have the stats for like card specific things like duration for like the soul thing and other cards.
Sorry, what?
Like when you hover over a card like in your inventory for it to like pop up or some way to view like.
This is not an.
This
is a thing in game.
In game, yes.
Okay, I see.
Like when you hover over it for it to show like all the stats and things like that. I don't really like games where it like hides all the information about the card. Like then you have to go to a wiki.
No. Okay, so all of our items in the game will be vague descriptions that are just flavor text and nothing else. So that way you have to go to the wiki. You have to go to dante9.wiki.gg to find out
which will exist.
The pistol does. Huh?
Okay. I say which will exist.
Yeah.
Card
sure.
SMG.
If it doesn't, I will fill it out.
There's actually somebody in the Goblin server who said they'd be interested in helping because they like making wikis. Apparently. So they're making the Goblin wiki. So I just steal them. Easy solution. we want new ability scene, because why? What else would we call it? And then we it's in new abilities right here. There is a sample ability or equipment, right? Because you changed the name.
Yeah.
SMG. We'll call this SMG. Equipment, I guess.
Equipment.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then. And then this comes with
And
the
then there's-
script, which then we can just duplicate this and call it. We can swap that out. Check, make sure this is the right one. I have 5 million scripts open.
You could just double click the script as well, or yeah,
Yeah, there we go.
open it like that.
Okay. Hi, is this the Twink stream? Yes.
Hello.
Okay.
Hi. Hello.
Now what do I do?
What do you mean?
What do I do?
You got this, dog. You got this.
I can. What all functions are there? In here.
There's lots of things that you probably don't 100% need, but I can add documentation for that as well
Okay.
at some point.
So this is gonna be basically the same as like how the pistol is currently set up, right? So I can just look at that, and it'll
Yes.
definitely be like similar.
Well, actually, is it going to be any different than the pistol in terms of firing a projectile at a set time?
Not really, no.
You could just inherit from the base gun ability scene,
Okay, I guess. How?
since I believe that has all of the things that it would need now.
I don't like inheriting. It feels weird. I don't
Insane
like
that they
it.
censor gay boy but not twink. You literally said gay boy without it being censored. I don't know what the fuck you mean. What do you mean? What are you talking about, dude?
So what is base gun ability? Is that
That's the pistol and
ability?
the Meow 36. Yeah, it just
Oh.
it handles the shooting, and
Okay.
that actually does have documentation kind of technically at the top.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so I guess this should so I can just inherit from this instead. So does that mean I should delete this or
Yes.
Okay.
If you wanted to inherit from the scene, yeah.
this,
So
right?
if you wanted to inherit from a scene, what is that? Who did you just click on? Okay,
This?
scene sheet child scene creates. Oh, interesting. So the way that I usually do it, if you right click on the scene in the file browser, you can then do new inherited.
Oh, interesting. Here it is. Yeah, I almost never make inherited scenes, so it's like, I don't know
Yeah.
how.
I only did it in that case because like I felt that it
I-
kind of
Yeah,
needed to. 'Cause they
maybe
were like the
I don't
exact
like-
same.
I don't like it. I don't care if it's the exact same.
Why don't you like it?
I just don't. It feels weird.
don't
It's like you can't change
doesn't
anything.
That's not true.
It feels weird. I don't like it.
What am I doing here? I'm just staring at my code editor right now.
That's okay. Well, you can make sure that I don't do this wrong.
Oh my
So wait,
God,
I don't
what am
need a
trying to do?
SMG equipment script then.
You shouldn't.
So what do I need in here?
Any of this stuff
I need
that you care about visuals. Yeah.
Yeah, because this is, I don't know. It feels weird. Maybe it's not weird. I'm just gonna copy you. I guess we want the same animation too.
Kind of. I would not copy the animation player though,
Okay.
because it'll copy the library with it.
Yeah. So how are you playing the animations? That's
I'm
another
looking
thing
for
that's
I'm
weird.
looking for an animation called shoot, and I'm playing that, or an animation called put away and playing that.
Oh, that's weird. I don't know. It feels gross, but I can't think of any better things to do, so I'm sorry if
Yeah,
I'm
we've
just
got,
like complaining for no reason.
No, it's fine. It's just we have like we had 2 different guns that had like basically the exact same behavior, but like how would you do it other than an inherited scene? I don't know. You could. I mean, the alternative is we make a scene called gun equipment, and we make a resource called gun info. And
No, that's
then
like
I have you set
even
it up for that.
worse.
Yeah, so it's like, which of the 2 evils do you want to choose? If there's a third option that you can think of, I would definitely be down to use it, but I don't know what that option would be.
Tracer spawn is where the actual bullet spawns, right? Is there anything else I need in here?
Projectile info, I think. And also,
yeah.
I think you can quick load because we have one. Right? Yeah.
That's the wrong one.
Yeah, you could just quick load the pistol shot and then make it unique if you wanted.
And now it's the same.
Okay.
Maybe it should be a little faster, but we can always mess that. Should be interval. And that'll be based on the card delay, right? Not whatever this is.
Yeah, if there's a card cooldown, then yes.
Okay, that's okay. Oh, I need an animation.
You technically don't. It won't crash without it, but
Okay. Well, we can see
won't
if this
shoot.
works first. Oh, it won't
it
shoot.
won't shoot. No,
Okay.
because that's part of the
Oh,
animation.
right, because it plays the.
Yeah, because the Meow 36 is a da-da-da.
Yeah, which
And
makes
also it
sense.
has,
It's
like, a
just
tick
weird.
back.
Yeah. Can I can make an animation player and just copy the animations, right? And make them unique. Since it's the same setup, I can just go in here.
I mean, if you wanted to do that, yeah, you could.
And there we go.
Well, yeah, I was gonna say, I mean, if you wanted to do that, then like the easier way is to actually copy it over to the other scene. It's like if you just, yeah, if you close that.
Yeah, that's what What do you mean?
Okay, I meant like copy the animation player node because I was like, oh,
Well,
you don't
then
want to do that because you're gonna have to recreate it, but whatever. I didn't know if you were gonna go in there and do the animation library stuff.
For some reason it doesn't let you do that unless you actually make an animation. And then you can go in and paste.
Oh, interesting. I don't think I've ever done that. I'm still just staring at my code, man. What do I want this to do? I want this to be scaled based on your velocity. And
Oh,
the
also it's
direction.
attack, not shoot.
Oh, sorry, my fault.
Look at that. It works.
Oh,
So goofy.
that looks really funny with the muzzle flash on it still.
Yeah, let's set you back to that. Is there a way to like generate a reset track?
Oh, is there not a reset track?
Nah, it doesn't make one because I didn't actually set any of the.
If you go to the edit button, is there something in there?
There's
do
add
reset.
reset values.
Mm-hmm.
Well, that didn't do anything.
No? Highlight your keyframes or something.
Oh, maybe. No.
Huh, I actually don't know. I've never made an animation like that. I mean, you can just make a new animation called reset in all uppercase.
Oh wait, what did it do? Oh wait, did it? Oh wait, no, there's actually 2 keyframes there. I'm just stupid. A reset.
What is the player's maximum
What if I do it?
velocity? Movements, components. Your maximum fall speed is
What the-
1500. it is. I don't know. It's not letting me do anything. Oh, because I'm fucking with the wrong thing. Oh no,
Okay,
wait.
so what are we
hold on.
changing? Just changing
No,
the spray
I'm
2D
being-
scale. Scale, position, and rotation. Okay.
Oh my god, what am I doing? Okay. I don't remember how curves work in Godot sometimes. I love not knowing things sometimes. It's very fun and enjoyable. I like that my human
Yeah.
mind forgets things.
Should probably be shorter than
Something
0.3
like that.
instead of probably shooting really fast.
State that by. We'll take the absolute value of that. It will sample that from y scale curve dot sample.
So if I change the activate delay, that'll change it, right? Or is it cooldown?
Sorry, what's it based? Oh,
It's
cooldown.
cooldown, right? Why is there
Yeah.
activate delay and cooldown?
Activate delay was an old thing, I think. That was from how long after you equip the card can you use it.
Okay. Damage would be like 5, maybe. Is that everything I need? Oh, and I need to actually add it to the stupid card thing.
Does this work? Did that work? I guess I could find out by just like... One, I could just disable this so that it doesn't do anything. Oh, it does work. Cool. Does that look good? Oh, he's like slightly... I don't know why he's slightly rotated.
Is it because you aren't resetting the value back after the animation plays? When the animation stops?
No.
That's what it looks
Oh,
like to
it's
me.
because you have an idle animation and it's not... The idle animation plays when he's not moving, but it's not actually...
Cannot.
It doesn't have a track here.
ability scene. Oh, I didn't actually set the card scene. Oops.
Yeah. I also want to make a script that goes through and just moves everything to the ability scene, and so we only have one.
SMG equipment.
Actually have a really, really bad habit I want to break, which is I move things to a new file instead of deleting the old ones, but I should just get rid of the old ones. That's what we have Git for.
Oh, that didn't work either. How's animation? Oh, I didn't assign the animation player. Well, it works. It needs to shoot faster, but... And I also need to give it a different sound, because that sound is going to sound really annoying. So what about this one?
I see. I don't... Yeah, no, that doesn't look... That's very programmery, isn't it?
What is?
Poor Dante. I'm doing some stupid shit. Don't worry about it.
Okay, I'm worrying about it.
Nah, don't worry about it. It's just Dante. He's...
Okay.
He's fine.
Ooh. Should we have recoil?
Maybe.
Oh, we also should probably have like accuracy as well.
Yeah. Oh, do they not have accuracy? You might be right. Yeah, I'll have to add that, I think. Wait, no, something in there has accuracy, right?
Nope, I don't think so.
Maybe it was just the enemy. It might have just been an enemy thing.
Yeah.
Do anything good. Shit. I love taking an artist's work and making it programmatic and just making it, like, terrible, to be honest with you.
The
big fan
guns
of
shooting at like
overwriting
different speeds based on your mana charge rate when you run out of ammo is kind of weird, but it's oddly satisfying. To like have it change fire rate based on if you have mana or not. Let's make it like ridiculously fast because that'll be fun. So mana cost, you'll be 1. Damage will reduce you to like 2. And your cooldown is 0.03.
Oh, I know what's wrong with the jump animation.
Ooh, okay, that's so fun.
Oh, look at that, dude. That's fucking crazy.
That was way more fun than I thought it was going to be. I'm gonna turn down the screen shake a little bit, but that's...
Yeah.
Okay, that's way too fun. Hold up. I might have cooked with this one. Where are the baddies at?
Where the baddies at?
And it's like oddly balanced because it does like no damage.
Okay, I know what it's doing wrong.
Is there a way to adjust how much screen shake it does?
Maybe. Not right now though.
Okay, cool.
Okay, I know what's going on with this. He doesn't have anticipation.
This is way too fun. Maybe I turn it down just a little bit, but like it's actually pretty nice. I'm trying to figure out the positioning of him holding it too. I feel like maybe it's a little too high.
Oh, that affects the position. Position thing going on here.
The shells flying out is also really satisfying. I may have made the most fun card that exists so far.
Perhaps. Like, baddies, where? Why are you asking where the baddies are as if your ass isn't gonna get just socially anxious and leave? Okay. Oh, it's the Pikachu soundtrack, I can tell.
I'm running out of breath. Sorry, it sounded really bad.
Thank fuck, man.
Wow, this guy hates, man.
Oh, I see that.
There we go, that's like a reasonable fire rate. This sound is actually perfect for this. Might keep this for the SMG and swap out the Meow 36 sound. This one is very nice.
You notice the background? Yeah, JW did some background changes. It is fire.
It is. this gun is it's so balanced too. Because it like doesn't do crazy amounts of damage. I mean, it kind of does, but it's like I'm having way too much fun right now.
Squish that cat. So true. Big fan of Toronto veterinarian. Squish that cat. You know about that video, JW?
What? No.
You know about Squish That Cat?
I've never heard of Squish That Cat.
Oh, that's fucking crazy. Why can I not edit?
I think the game is finally getting like really fun. Like even just this tiny little bit, I'm having way too much fun. And there's still like so much cool VFX and sound stuff we need to add.
This change is also probably not going to be a permanent thing because the artist will get upset if these are the changes that stay.
Hmm? What? I can't hear you over the sound of gun.
Yeah.
I'm gonna kill the boss. Oh, he's scary. Oh,
He's
it
got,
won't
like,
let me use my
3
cards. How do I? Video cards. See how fast I can kill him. Where you at? Get back here. Die. Scary. He dead? I think I killed him.
That like kind of works actually. What the fuck?
Oh, wait, are these teleporting between rooms again? No, I guess it's just when you leave, or if you spawn them in a room and then leave it, they stay.
Yeah.
But like, it's not a big deal because like it's not like you can leave a room while you're in combat. Because you're also not, you won't have your cards when you are able to exit a room, so it's not a big deal.
JW, I made a slight change to the jumping animation.
Mm-hmm. Which is?
There's like the world's smallest amount of squish before he jumps.
Oh, that actually looks nice, yeah.
So that whenever he leaves the ground,
Bro,
it's
I
a little bit too
jump
much.
squat.
Yeah, it's actually funny the way it works out because of the way that I did this easing to be an ease in, and you had this one as an ease out. It just so happens that his legs stay in the ground despite the fact that the rest of him is going up, and it looks like he stays on the ground, but he doesn't actually.
That's really funny.
Can I set this to like a much smaller scale, I wonder? Yes, I can.
Oh, that's weird. So like squishes it, then he stretches back. Oh, that's so weird. And then he hits the ground. That's so weird.
Yeah.
So he kind of like,
like the red
below the ground.
Yeah, the red dot is like actually where his position is, and you see how it's going up, but
that's really funny.
it's kind of sick that it worked out that way because it wasn't supposed to, but it kind of
looks cool.
Just works.
I also want to change out the particles when he like jumps or lands and when he runs because they're really basic and bad. Could use a little work.
Fair, yeah. I also want to change this.
They could probably be better to not be just like squares.
If I just made him like squish.
Okay, back to messing with the gun because it's fun. I wanted to change something.
Dude, that rhymes. That's bars.
I want it to It needs more mana cost, and yeah, I think that was all I wanted to change. Yeah, there we go. Now it like actually runs down.
I really don't know how to describe it, but I feel like that somehow feels really fucking sick, but it's like not supposed to. I didn't expect it to do that much. I'm gonna like squish him even more. Fuck it. Dude. Squish him as fuck.
I don't know, I feel like the concept of combining like regular attacks with mana is kind of interesting as well.
What do you mean by like regular attacks?
Like normal weapons like guns and swords and things like that. Like when you think of mana, you think of like magical attacks and things like that.
Yeah.
What does I do? Oh yes, I want to adjust the positioning of this. I think it should be down. Wait, how do I move the visual a little? Yeah. I think. Oh, if I change the pivot point as well, does that make a difference? I don't remember. Let's try that. I think I can adjust this while the game is running, probably. Oh, I need to go to bed soon, by the way. Because job. Unfortunately. Yeah, it does change the pivot point.
Wait, dude, this actually looks sick as fuck.
Mm-hmm.
Wait, can you take a look at this, JW?
I'm looking. Oh, that does.
But like his position doesn't, like his position's actually like where the red dot is, so like the collision is moving.
Yeah.
It like kind of works really well, and it feels really good at 1x speed. It feels like he's got some weighty to him.
Some weighty to him.
Well, he's got weighty to I would also
it shouldn't be noticeable. Is like the main thing. It does look a little weird when you like short hop like that.
Yeah, I think one problem definitely is the fact that whenever you start falling, it doesn't like cancel the animation. Yeah, that looks like shit. That looks like shit.
Soggy croissant and furry noodle. Hello, Master Liberty. Nope, I forgot I don't need to close the project. Silly me.
I'm thinking if it ever... like, if it ever finds out the player's going downwards, it should, like, cancel the animation. Mayhaps. Fuck, where are we even playing this animation? I don't even know. Is it inside of player? It is. It's this fuck-ass function called play animations. Jump, unjumped. which is a signal from this? Yeah, okay. I'm gonna add a variable to you. I don't like doing that, but var jaunt false.
Does this change the pivot point? I don't remember how I had this set up.
Do you have a physics press in here, buddy? You like
That
do as
like
fuck, right? Yeah.
doesn't change at all, does it? Maybe it's a bunch.
Master Liberty, hello. Hi. Hi.
Okay, that doesn't make a difference. If I move this, does this make a difference? Yes, there we go. That's what I want to move. Oh, nope, I didn't want to close the project.
I want to... Oh, wait, what is this?
Ooh, that's weird. Actually, something about that is very weird. Let's not do that. That was it. What is? I don't know what I did wrong, but that was weird. Let's just reset all this. Okay, that's still weird.
What is it?
There we go. That's back to normal. I'm trying to. I forgot how like the pivot points are set up. Did that chandelier just get eaten? What do you mean? Yeah, you can eat the chandeliers.
Yeah, I
Yum,
did.
yum.
Yeah, he got hungry. Don't get upset with him. Or I'll get upset with you.
Don't get upsetty spaghetti. So you move the sprite down. Does that make a difference? Okay, that's what we want to move. Okay. I believe. So I move the visual, then that'll mess up like the XY rotation or like flip.
Lip.
Trying to figure out where to put this. The shape of this thing makes it weird for like positioning because I don't want to cover up his entire head.
Yeah.
But I don't want it to be like sticking way out from his body.
Jump. Oh god. Can I set the animation speed here? Speed scale. Sure, dude. What if I set you to 5?
Wait a second. Is it just me or did that like what the Okay. So look at my screen.
Yep.
It's kind of blurry, but you can see where this is in relation to his head. Oh, also that's weird. Why is that down there now?
Oh, weird. Yeah.
Let's not worry about that. But if I do this, theoretically, or at least, okay, now it's normal. But before, when I like, is it, what's causing it? It moved back. Like,
Is it potentially you moved your cursor to the left as you were shooting it, and then you didn't notice, or?
No, like I was up here. Because I was noticing the same thing on the Meow 36, where sometimes like the positioning would get off and I wasn't sure why. don't know what's causing it. If it's like... I don't know what it is, but there's something weird. Also, apparently it doesn't actually like it when I move the spray. I don't understand how the like rotation is set up. What does it rotate around? So I spawn it in here. It flips fine. Yes. So let me look in here. What is the pivot point? What is rotating? Rotation. So the rotation of this specifically is rotating. Okay. So if I move the visuals like over and up, let's try that. Does that mess up the flip? Yes, that does. So we don't want to do that. We move the sprite over and like up. It's ideal. I save? Yeah. Okay, now that doesn't make a difference on the position. But what if you move like way out here? That, what do you mean that doesn't make a difference? Let me try reading. I'm so confused. What? Then how this is set up? It's like 3 nodes and it's like something's weird. Okay, so apparently changing the sprite. Oh, because the sprite's position is being changed in the animation. So it doesn't make a difference on where it's moved.
I see. Kinda.
Yeah.
Yeah. Did I just fall through that platform?
Yeah, that's why. So if I move the visual, really that'll quickly mess it up.
Bitlitic.
I think if I move it left and right, it doesn't break it though.
Let's find out if I fell through that.
But yeah, it's flipping the weird thing.
I did.
What did you fall through? Yeah, that's a
fucking... I fell through the jump platform. The blowing nose platform. Weird.
Probably because there's an area, maybe you were falling fast enough that it just didn't detect you being in the area.
Yeah, probably that.
Okay, well, at least see how this is like set up now.
How are you being set back to 3? In what fucking world are you being set back to 3?
What's being flipped? Meows 36, is the animation just different, or how do I have this? Yeah, I guess this just position is different in the animation. Wait, why is there why are there 2 tracer spawns and shell spawns in the Meow 36? It's weird.
Because of something I don't 100% remember.
Cool.
Yeah.
Okay, well, that works, and I think that's good. I might call that, because I need to get to bed, because I work, and I have to get up at 4:30 a.m.
Okay.
Here's the SMG one last time. You know, it's fun.
So, can I show you something real quick?
Oh,
I need
yeah.
to work out the trying to work out the but let me know when you're looking.
I'm looking.
So I found out one of the issues with the jumping animation that I really didn't like, and this is something in your version that you got right now on your computer. Actually, let me turn this off. So if I were to spam jump, let's say, oh, I turned on your Discord screen share on accident by hitting space. So you see how like if I spam jump, he kind of stays in this like upward state.
Yeah.
Like,
yeah.
Even whenever I'm falling, I'm like moving downward with the squish.
Yeah, I see.
I think something that we could do is make it so that whenever you jump, it like goes back to normal faster.
Yeah, I see what you mean.
So he kind of like, yeah, actually I can turn down this time scale. But that way he starts by going back to normal. Also could do a thing where
weird thing there is like he kind of like stutters a little bit because the squish makes it look like he's going down faster for a little bit.
Oh yeah.
I think the bottom part of him needs to come up instead of the top going down.
Maybe.
But it's good. I do like that.
Yeah. I don't know. I'm also a big fan of the
Wait, does the scale?
The
scale changes what the background looks like. I just realized the zoom.
Does it?
Yeah. Well, it doesn't change based on a scale.
Yeah, yeah.
Which is something interesting.
Yeah, I see what you mean.
Keep in mind. I don't know if there's a way to change that. But it's not a big deal.
Look at him go, dude. I also don't know if we want to have this where whenever he's moving in the air, he will still do his little like run left and right animation, as you can see. I don't know what the... Goodbye, Dante.
Yeah, but I don't really know what else to do. I think it's okay. It's not like anybody's really noticed.
Yeah, you know what could be kind of cool? This could be like a callback. What if you're moving to the right, he's kind of pointed in that direction, and if you're moving to the left, he's kind of pointed in that direction only while he's in midair.
That could be kind of cool, yeah.
That way it's like the camera tilt from Half-Life, which is like one of the sickest fucking things in first-person shooters ever. And I think that more first-person shooters should implement it.
Yes.
Get the boomers out of the fucking first-person shooter industry.
True.
Yippee! You know,
but I'm happy with how fast they make the SMG. I still think it's weird how it works, but it's okay.
Yeah. It's good though. Wait. No. Wait. No. Never mind. I lost it. Okay. I think that's where I'll call it tonight. Yep. I'm just doing some experimental player changes. I might play around with this more. Because I think Dante's movement is good. I just think that there's a couple of things that could be maybe like tidied up just a little bit.
Yeah.
Like with the jumping animation, like having it not be so like having a little bit of squeeze. Yeah. All right.
Good night, everybody. We will not be streaming on Sunday because we will be at a Rivals of
that's
2
true.
tournament.
Well, don't say that. Now they're gonna go to Hitfall 4 in Stafford, Virginia.
It's okay.
I think.
They want to go, they can go.
And they could come hang out.
Yeah.
But yeah, I will catch you guys later. We will be back on Tuesday though. So
yeah.
Goodbye bye.
Goodbye bye.